Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm shaking. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's no way I just did that. What? Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. I just speak like Blizzard, bro. No way. Hold on. Let me get the calculator. What? How do you just speak like Blizzard, bro? That's not even that much. What? There is no way I just beat Black Blizzard. This is a fucking amazing level, by the way. Anyone that has the skill should play this. Yeah, as expected, the beginning is by far the hardest. Up to 25% it's like really hard, and then it gets a lot easier. Still managed to die to the Earth starting to drop 5 times, but okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.